Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning, everybody. What if I went back to that thing? Well, we'll see. Okay. Let's see. Where are we? Just getting a few things tidied up. Be right with you in just a second. Hope y'all slept good. Well, better than me. Hope y'all slept good. Hope y'all feeling good. Hope y'all are doing good. I only have one gold trade open, and I do have one knockout open for US 30 sell stuff, but I've had that open since late yesterday. Just testing out something, so please don't do it. I think we're done. I'll be right with you guys right now. Trading live. Bitcoin.com works for me. Save. Let's see what we see. Make this smaller. Go over to TikTok. Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, YouTube. Think we're good. Boost and Hemi, good morning. Good morning, Darren Roberts. Good morning, BH8. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Adam Knapp. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Jason Roby and Robel and Bob Ooten, number ones. Good morning, Dennis Snader, Metal Mind. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Metal Mind again, and blessings to all of you and to Metal Mind. Excellent morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Lisa Norwood. Thank you, Mr. C. I hope you're doing good too. Thank you. It's a 7-day. Beautiful. Oh, good. I don't know. I'm not sure what that means, but I hope it's a good day. Good morning, Jay Cochran. Hope you're making some good money. Good morning, Adam Knapp. Great day to be alive. 100% agree with Adam. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for another day. And I say all my prayers. And thank you for my sister feeling better too. Couldn't sleep last night for some reason. Yeah. I hear you on that. Good morning, Michael Stefani. Good morning, NS. Good morning, Bob Ooten. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Stefan087. Good morning, Raider Trader on both. Thank you, R.A. Ramos. Good morning, Silent. Good morning, sir. Oh, it's just being funny, my brother. Oh, I didn't get you. I'm sorry, Sevens. That's funny. My own fucking things you're using against me. I didn't even pay attention. Wow. Good morning, Brian Claus. I'm sorry. And good morning, Bob Wooten, if I missed you there. All right. What you're looking at is the disclaimer. Please say yes if you understand that I am not a financial advisor. Don't want to be, never going to be, shouldn't listen to me for any financial advice. Lord help us all. That's pretty bad. Oh, well, please type yes if you do understand that. Thank you very much. Then we'll get started. Not only do I have that here, I do have it up here throughout the whole broadcast, national, not a financial advisor. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, that sounded funny. Let's run through our little list, unless somebody has any questions. Thank you for, Robel, good morning, Robel. Thank you for saying your yeses so you understand that. Dennis, good morning, Dennis. I'll wait a second. If anybody has any questions, concerns, or comments, you can call in with your concerns. You don't have to write me anonymous messages on TikTok. You don't have to, you can write in, email me, theforexsafetytradesystem@gmail.com. You can go ahead and do anything. You can call in now, live. You can write out a message. I'll be going over the 10, 12, 15 symbols, whatever we do. And then if you need anything, just let me know. I'm 8 hours ahead of you. Nice, Silent. What is this, Silent Night? Silent 70. You're 8 hours ahead. So that means you're actually in mid-afternoon. Wow, good for you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take that silence as no one has any problems or concerns. If you do, speak up. If you don't, that's fine. I'm glad you all are happy. But what I don't want to have happen is some silly little person out there gets offended or gets mad because I'm yelling, mean, angry, and then doesn't have the kahunas to let me know. So as long as you, good morning, Malachi. Oh, thank you for being at both too. Appreciate that, sir. Good morning, Lisa Norwood. What's up, Lisa? So as long as you all are good, we're good. Guess we'll get a roll on, get a groove on. Oh man, am I tired. Don't forget, I'm not staying on all day this morning. Morning, Annie Apple. I'm not staying on all day. Thank you all for being here. I'm just going to stay until probably about 8:45, 9 o'clock this morning, and the same for Friday. I think when we get back to Vegas, I'll be going back to more time on. But as of right now, I'm not. So Monday through Wednesday, I'm on usually somewhere between 5, 6, 7 a.m. till about 10:30, 11 a.m. But Thursdays and Fridays, I'll be heading off early, like 8:45, 9 o'clock, something like that. Jobless claims at 8:30. Yay for jobless claims. You can call in one day, Tank Dog. Call in today. Good morning, Felipe Canis. Good morning, Harry. Tank Dog, you can call in, my brother. You can call in, right? Well, let me make my call outs and then you can call in. But yeah, absolutely. Shoot over your phone number to here. The theforexsafetytradesystem@gmail.com. That's all you got to do. All you got to do, my friend. Oh. I only have a phone, so I want to be able to see each other. Okay, Tank Dog, I got you. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Annie Apple and Malachi. Good morning, Dennis. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate it. I hope you guys are less tired than I am. All right, what we're going to do is going to start with U.S. oil, and let's whip through them. Morning, BCM. U.S. oil, that's a tough one. 1 minute, yep, sell. 1 minute, sell. It's going to arch back up. Look for U.S. oil and UK oil to arch back up here, go in between these lines, hook, and come back down again. That's what it's going to do. It's going to come up, hook and come back down again. On a ship. Just so you guys don't get confused. U.S. oil and U.K. oil, 5 minute. So 15. U.S. oil, U.K. oil, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop forming. 4 hour. Daily, weekly. Daily, weekly, monthly. Weekly, monthly buy stop, US, UK oil. XRP. Come on, last part. Go back up to like $3. XRP. What do we got? I don't know. Sell stop. Too bad about that one going here, though. That sucked. We missed that. XRP, 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP, 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP is in the house. Buy stop forming. 30-minute, 1 hour. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop in time. Not right now. It's forming. 4 hour. Daily XRP. Daily buy. Weekly sell. Monthly buy. XRP. Ethereum. Good morning, Terry Gross. Good morning, Dennis G. Good morning, Lachey again. Morning, BCM again, and Annie Apple again. Good morning, E8851. Good morning, D-Nice. D-Nice been sleeping in. D-Nice been sleeping in. Good morning, D-Nice. I do not know one. Okay, Ethereum, 1 minute. Oh, nice. Bitcoin did fall back down. Figured it would. Ethereum, 1 minute. Sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop to Bitcoin's 5 minute blue line. Ethereum, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Ethereum, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop, possibly to the 15 minute blue line. Don't hold me to that one, though. I don't know how far that thing's going to drop. Looks like it's rebooting nicely. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin. Hold on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute sell stop Bitcoin to the 5 minute blue line. 1 minute sell stop Bitcoin. 5 minute sell stop Bitcoin. Forming for us a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It's going to come down, touch the yellow line on Bitcoin, then come back up again. Bitcoin daily, nothing. Weekly sell, monthly buy Bitcoin. Okay. D-Nice laughing. Okay. USD CHF, USF, opposite of ERUSD. ERUSD, 1 minute. Oh, too late to get in it. 5 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Okay. Okay. I see what you're doing now. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 15. It's a 1 minute sell, but you can't take it. It's too late. 1 minute sell stop ERUSD. Forming a, well, it's technically a 15 minute sell stop. Let me see if it's a 15 minute, 1 hour. 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop, but it's already hit its 1 hour blue line multiple times. That's why it's having troubles. It is what it is. 15 minute, 1 hour blue line, well, kind of blue line sell stop for ERUSD. 4 hour. 4 hour daily buy stop to the daily blue line. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, ERUSD. Gold. Bob Wooten says, make sure you're getting your rest. I know, right? We need you healthy. No, you don't. I'm trying to teach you guys so you don't need me. But yeah, I got to do better with the sleep. It's my kryptonite, Bob. I never sleep enough. Oh, well, is what it is. 1 minute sell stop, Ricochet. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Who is this? Gold? Gold. Gold, 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 gold. Forming a interesting. It's going to go down, but let's watch it. I don't know if we'll be able to see it in time. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, ricochet. You kind of missed the entry. It should have been up here if you see this correctly. Price came down, came close enough to kiss the blue line, came back up, right? And then it came back down towards it. That's your ricochet. You can see it was correct because our blue sniper, which is $150 a month extra. If you want it, you don't need it. You could trade red, 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 green with the broken block. Absolutely, you can. Here it is. It's going to come up, and then it's going to come down again. I'm going to go ahead and Mike, do not take this trade. I swear to God. I'm just going to go ahead and see how this trade plays out with one single little option. I'll make, I don't know, maybe 50, 100 bucks, and I'll lose 30, 40 bucks if it's wrong. Let me take a look. I'm going to go to nadex.com. I'm going to go to knockouts. I'm going to go to commodities. I'm going to go to gold. I'm going to see if I can find one that has a quick little pop on it. Oh, that is a tight. I might lose $38. Fuck. Guess we'll see. Oh, shit. I'm in the money on Wall Street 30. Whoa. I'm up $30 on that Wall Street 31. Hold on. I'll come back. It's going down in gold already. You're in the money. Let me go over to US 30 real quick. Yeah. I'm going to close down US 30. Told you, Mike, I did that one strictly. I'm going to show you guys what I did. Now, this is dangerous. Yay. What a way to wake up to. $30 per contract. Nice. All right. Now, let's get this one ready to go. All right. Now, we'll see how gold does. I'm not looking for gold for long term. I don't know what it's going to do long term, but I do want to see if I can make some money short term like Tracy does on these. All right. We'll get back to US 30 in a second. Gold, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line on a ricochet. We're a little late on that. We should have already been in up here. It's not bad, but it isn't perfect. We should have been in earlier. That's all, but no big deal. Whatever. We'll see how she works out. 5 minute. Looks like it's going to be forming a 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the blue line on the 1 hour. Hold on. Where are we at? Nope. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 30 minute blue line on gold. 1 hour for a 4 hour daily. Yeah. 4 hour daily buy stop on gold. Oh, good. I might be able to keep my thing. Daily, weekly buy stop on gold. And that's it. Let's take a close look at US 30 real quick. Yay, look at US 30. So I'll teach you how I did this. And it has a lot to do with this right here. And this one right here. Nice. Sell stop. 15 minute back to the blue line SPX. Nice. All right, let me see what we got, though. I'm kind of bouncing around. Let me see. SPX. Minute 1. Buy stop. Where's she going to? 1 minute buy stop. SPX to the blue line. NAS. Already hit its blue line. Oh, I haven't checked the scanner yet. I'm sure it has. This is what it's showing. We'll get back to that in a second. No, ship. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Beautiful. Boom. Now let's check out US 30 to make sure it's also cooperating. It might not be. 1 minute sell stop. It already looked like it pushed up to its blue line right here. Interesting. Buy stop SPX 1 minute. Buy stop NAS 1 minute. Let me do SPX. I like it. I like this a lot. I'm going to go ahead and go over to SPX. These are just strictly short terms. Strictly short term. This has nothing to do with long-term plays whatsoever. Zero to do with long-term plays whatsoever. All right. So anywho, SPX, NAS told you. All right. SPX 5-minute. Sell stop. 5-minute, 15-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute. 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. SPX. NAS. 1 minute buy stop. NAS. 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. US 30. Nope. 15-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute. 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. US 30. All right, then. Let me go back to SPX real quick. And that's it. I believe that's all of them. If anybody wants me to look at something else, please ask. There we go. We're going to sit right here and wait. I want to see something on this. Buy stop, place it right there at the yellow line, blah, 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 blah. All right. This is on a trip. All right, we'll get back to this. I want to be real specific on this one, so I'm going to come back to that readout. All right, let me take a look at gold again, just real quick. I want to see something. Yeah, we'll wait right here. Fill in the gap, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line gold. If you don't want to do that, then wait for that 5-minute buy stop. What do you think about the buy stop in SPX 4 hours? Can you look at USD, JPY? Absolutely. Good morning, Tim Wong. Good morning, my brother. Good morning, Joanna Webley. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Miss Joanna Webley. Good morning, E88851. I will look at that for you. Good morning, the Griffey. Good morning, Jen Holmes again. Good morning, Tim Wong again on both. Thanks for being on both. I don't care if you guys are on both, but it'd be nice if you were on TikTok and YouTube because I'm not staying on past 8:30, 8:45, 9 at the latest. Morning, Johan Soaz. USD, JPY, absolutely. If I can find it, I will look at it for you. And I know I can find it. USD, JPY. 1 minute sell stop. Oh, hold on. I was in the wrong time period. Looks to me to be a 1 minute buy stop. To where, though? Is it going to go back to its? I don't know. How long has it been? Holy shit. Yeah. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, USD, JPY. I don't know how close it's going to get because this 5-minute looks really strong. Hold on a second. 5-minute, 15-minute sell. That's why it's doing this. Oh, it already dropped like a rock. Look at your 1 hour. Yeah. No, this is ridiculous. Even an unofficial, official and unofficial 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. If it doesn't go back up to the blue line, it needs to. It at least needs to go back to its, I would say 5-minute, 15-minute. It may not, because this is a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop right here. You put it right underneath here and wait. But I'm telling you that this is too far down. I would not take any sell stops right now. Let it pull back at least to the 15-minute. I mean, it's at the 5-minute. I see that, but I don't know. This is too far down for me. God damn, this is USD, JPY. That's 200 pips? No, I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole unless you're doing a buy. Nope, it's already did its thing. You can see clearly it did a 4 hour. It did a 1 hour. It did a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. I mean, as easy as can be. This is too late. I wouldn't touch this thing with a 20-foot pole. Not happening. You missed hundreds and hundreds. Look at this thing. From here down to here, that's like almost 500 pips. There's no way that you missed. You should either have caught this. Did you catch this? Who is this? E885. He's too good. He caught that. I'm sure he did. I bet you caught that. I wouldn't stay in that trade either. I'd pop out of it. Let me make sure before I misspeak. Yeah, I would only keep one open if you have more than one open. Sam UK. What's up, Sam? Oh, we're in the money. We're in the money on our buy US 500. We're in the money on our buy. We're in the money on our buy. We're in the money on the US 30 buy. Hold on. I don't know if I finished that for you, but if I didn't, let me know. It was the SPX 500 buy. Yep, there you go. Go into the blue line. Yep, there you go. I'm going to keep it open a little bit longer, but I'm in the money. I don't know. I might just take that money. Fuck it. Well, I might just hold it. Let me get in position to close it. There we go. Only took out one contract, so no big deal, but I like to win every damn time. So that is a winner. Whether or not that goes back down or not, I don't care. We won on the trade. Could have closed it out. Done. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Amy. Good morning, the Griffey. Good morning, Jen Holmes. Good morning, Sam UK. Thank you, Amy Lou, for being on both. Good morning, Bob Uten saying NAS 1 hour 4 hour closer. I'll take a look. What do you think of the SPX 4 hour, says Wealth Creation Project? Well, since I'm on SPX, let's go over to 4 hour. 4 hour daily. Oh, I love it. It's a 4 hour daily. We talked about this multiple times. You should understand this by now. I drew this out multiple times. Price went over on the daily, came over. It needs to hook back closer for my taste and come back up like that. That's what it needs to do. How do I feel about SPX? The same way I feel about NAS. It's got to do the exact same thing. See it? There it is. Closer. I like NAS better. US 30 right here. It's not even close at all. It needs to come way back. It's not even in the realm of reality. US 30. They all are 4 hour daily buys. Out of the three of those, NAS is the best positioned. It's the closest to our logo. So that's what I think of it. And that's what each and every one of you need to think of it. Good morning, Gordon Clark. Good morning, bro. Good morning, bro, Gordon Clark. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Sam UK and Amy Lou. All right. So we are in the money on that. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Let me go back to SPX. Little SPX. Little SPX that could, that should, that would. All right. Now, we're in the money on that one. Let me see gold again. I'm going to keep an eye on this one. Still forming it. I'm going to wait. If gold goes up over here, I'm going to close down my option on that one, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to try to be a little patient. Yeah, it could be entering into that buy stop, though. You got to be very careful. All right. Anthony Atwood. Top of the morning to you, Anthony Atwood. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning again, Gordon Clark. And I think we're good. All right. I'm comfortable with everything I called out. I'll stand behind all that. I stand on business. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. All right. This is now December, right? Fuck. We're still working out the kinks in our signal service, by the way, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely. All right. Let me go ahead and teach you all how I trade. And then we'll take some more questions in from you guys. All right. So how do I trade? Everything I tell you is everything how I actually do real life. I got up this morning, opened my eyes, so grateful to be next to my wife. So thank you, God. Thank them for quite a few things, actually. And then I do believe it helps my my trading. Another thing that helps my trading is when I do my Wim Hof, grounding, ice therapy. Now, today I'm going to do it afterwards. I'm not staying on with you guys long. So I'm going to go ahead and close and then do it after I'm done with y'all. And then I look at this scanner right here. This is the scanner right here. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Here's my scanner that I use every day. Right here. US 30 NAS SPX. Minute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This scanner is scanning to the blue line. Is it below it? It turns red. If it's above it, it turns green. Below it, it turns red. Above it, it turns green. I told you last night, well, I told you a whole bunch of things, that these will eventually turn green. Only one's green. Will we see SPX turn green? I don't know. Maybe. Kind of hoping so. I already got a trade on it, making some money. US 30 will turn. I don't know. Hopefully, maybe. Call me maybe. I do think we'll see these all turn back to green. Maybe not this one. But more importantly, I think later on today, you'll see US 30's 15-minute turn to red, and you're going to see SPX 15-minute turn to red. So I think we'll get a nice little push up. How high, I don't know. And then I think we'll see this pull back down again. That's what I think is going to happen. But we'll see. I've been wrong once or twice before in my life. All right. So there you go. That's what that looks like. Yay. Now, normally what I'm checking is for the higher ones. So my first step when I'm trading is look at the 1 hours. I don't see anything special here. I can see this is going to change. I can see this will change back later. I can't see anything on the 1 hour. So we're just going to hang loose. So the very next thing I do when you say 4 hour daily, it's developing, Anthony. Standing on business going, I know, right? Yeah, I'm a funny little dude. Good morning, William Jones. When you say 4 hour, so when you say 4 hour daily, well, we can go over there and look. Let's take a look. In a book, reading Rainbow, I can trade anything. See, no, what I'm saying is that's why you need your training. First, this is what it has to do. You have to follow your logo. It has to come back down here first in order to make a 4 hour trade. So if it's a 4 hour daily buy stop, that means it's forming. 4 hour is down low on your sniper. Doop, 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 doop. Daily, it's up high. So eventually, this will form a 4 hour daily buy stop. Right now, I can't call it because it hasn't formed our logo. Matter of fact, why am I answering that? Fuck. I'm just going to go ahead and teach you what I do, and then you'll understand. Why did I do that? Stupid. Jay Parker, good morning. William Jones, good morning. I made Gordon Clark laugh this morning. We're on a roll. You're in the money on that SPX 1 minute buy stop to the blue. I know you are because I'm in it, and I'm making money. Oop, there she blows. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money. It's $7 per contract, $8 per contract. All right, where we at? All right. Next thing I do after I look at the H&H scanner, I then look at my rules and my 1 hour trades. So let's take a look. I'm going to pull up. Hold on. Where we at there? Where we at there? Well, where we at there? I'm going to pull up my trading view account. Oh, somehow I got disconnected. Huh. Here's my trading view. And what we're going to do is we're going to eventually look at all 1 hours of the 3 indices 1 hours. And this is exactly how I'm trading. So I'm trying to get you guys in the mindset of what I look for, how I look for things, and how I find them. Mind, body's connected. That's why being grateful to God matters. Your spirit's connected. Your mind and body are connected. That's why the physical workouts matter. And then the H&H scanner is the most important scanner in the history of the world because it reads things exactly. It was created by Andre, perfected and made pretty by Keith. Keith Palmer's on vacation. Unbelievably effective at what it does. And this is a free gift, by the way. That's why I came back to it. This was a free gift from Bree and I to you guys. If you're in the scanner room, you get it for free. If you're in the, and Mike, you are in the scanner room now, log in. If you have the sniper, it's actually literally right here. And these are exactly the same, by the way. I don't understand people. You can set these up so good right now. These are exactly the same. This and this are the same. I like this look just because it's a little easier to see, but nonetheless, still extremely good. You can program in any one of these that you want. So you can change them, in other words. Very important to you that you can change these. But anyway, right now we're looking at the differential right here. We're going to hopefully see that. Yep, we're in the money on the US on this SPX even further. I'm not used to saying that, but anyway, this scanner right here and here. If you're in the sniper row, you get it right here built into your charts, which is amazingly up $15. Amazingly effective. This is $500 a month, but Bree and I gave it to you guys for free. You're welcome on that, just so you're clear. Now let's go back over to here. And let's go back. Look at that. Gee, I wonder what's happening. SPX to the blue line. Now, is this successful? Yes. It's called an H&H scanner for a reason. Does that mean it's going to go all the way up and touch the blue line? I don't know. But does that mean I'm up $15 for that one single contract? Yep. In the money on SPX. It's called out. It's played out live. It's played out in my real Nadex account. There you go, babies. Up $17. make you holla. $17. We're going to be rich. No, but it's still money. It's the correct call. Seeing how these things, rather love it. Do I want to close it out? Fuck it. I'm going to keep holding it. I don't give them the t-shirts. Now, that is a winning trade again. So if anyone's, oh, it's not a win, it's a winning trade. Trust me, it is. So you made money again. You're in the money. Yay, us. Awesome. All right, now back to what I was saying. Check your little blue line scanner. That is a free gift from Bree and I first. Then you come over to either your rules or the 1 hour. So we'll get over to here right now. I'm going to pull up my rules. Either or, it doesn't matter. You're going to have to review the rules anyways. Okay, so here you go. And don't worry, Anthony, it's going to be more explained here in just a minute. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Julie Gaia. Good morning, Amy Lou and the Griffey. Good morning, Jen Holmes and Tim. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, William Jones. All right, so then we go to our rules. The very first thing when we look at it, our rules is there a green up arrow anywhere on our charts? Is there a red down arrow anywhere on our chart, specifically the 1 hour, 15 minutes? So the 15-minute 1 hours. Do I see a buy stop or a sell stop there? How do I find those arrows? I come over to here. I do A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D. That's it. After that, I'm going to come down here and look at all the rest of my rules to remind myself not to be a dumbass and get caught into stupid ass things. How do I do it? Specific rules trading. If you don't see a clear safety trade on one time frame, look to the next higher time frame and so on until you find one. Keep checking the 1 minute, 5 minute, see if they are formed while waiting for the higher time frames to develop. The order in which safety trades develop is 1 minute, 5 minutes. So in other words, we're waiting for a 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. We're waiting for a 4-hour daily buy stop, but the 1 minute, 5 minutes have to form first. Henceforth, while I'm in money, because I took a 1 minute, 5 minute. Hope that makes sense. It's easy. You may open more than one safety at a time, but keep in mind not to get caught so you don't get suckered in. So if I know that there is a sell stop forming, right, but there's a 1 minute buy and there's a sell stop later on, well, why the hell am I going to get suckered into that sell now if the 1 minute, 5 minutes are showing a 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute buy? You just don't do it. Once safety trade finishes, look to the next highest time frame. If you ask me about that, you haven't had your training, you don't know what the fuck you're doing, you're a scammer. Where to put your stop loss at the pivot point. If you don't know what that is and you're asking me about that, you haven't had your training yet, or you haven't rewatched your training, or you're a scammer. I'm not going to tell you how to do that. If you don't know how to open up 2 or more orders, keep one open as a runner, that means you're a scammer. And by scammer, I mean people who actually are trying to steal my system and not pay for it. A lot of people from Russia were trying to do that. We actually crushed them into the ground. One lady in Chicago, I had to sue. Just, I don't want to get into it, but yeah. We won. We won over $5,000 against her. Dumbass. Anyhow, this is a copyrighted NDA patent pending system. You cannot use it any other way than what you agree to. If you attempt to use it any other way, you will get smashed. I have no problem. All right. Anywho, 7, always move your sell stop, buy stop line up or down. If you don't know what that means, then you haven't watched your training video over and over again. Rewatch it. Now, the last one I will explain. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits. Always have my back. Thanking God should be obvious, but a lot of you are ungrateful. You need to be grateful in your lives. Is my life perfect? No. Was I made a self-made millionaire by the age of 40? Yes. Through 3 gyms. Did I lose it all 3 years later doing the right thing and trying to pay off things and do the right? Yes. Did I file for bankruptcy 3 years later? Yes. Did I get all my money back plus some since then? Well, pretty damn good. Yes. Always do good with your profits should be explanatory. But again, you can do good for yourself. Sure. Treat yourself, love yourself, help yourself out. More importantly, though, help others out that can't pay you back. Help out a friend, a family, a loved one. Don't put yourself in financial straits to do it. Don't risk your own financial stuff. But when you have excess money, how much money do you fucking need coming in? One of our guys, Phil, makes, what was it? His first month trading made $30,000 in a month. If you make $30,000 a month trading, you can give a few of that away and help other people out. Maybe family members. Maybe someone in your family needs a car. I always like cars. I don't know. It just seems like cars are needed by a lot of people. So maybe buy them a new little fucking shitty car. Buy them a really nice Honda Civic. I don't know. Whatever. Always have my back, but whatever. Whatever. If you guys do, you do. If you don't, you don't. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay, so then we're going to go back here. I'm going to go look and hunt. You ever see the Looney Tunes? I don't think anyone watches anymore, but Elmer Fudd. I'm going to go rabbit hunt. What does he say? Rabbit hunt. I'm going to go ahead and hunt and look for these green up arrows or red down arrows first on the 1 hours on my indices. So I'm going to look for the green and red up and down arrows. Let's take a look. We're going to go hunting. We're going to go rabbit hunting. All right. You're in the money again. I'm hunting for rabbits, says Mental Mind. 50-minute, 1 hour and a half sell stop. I believe you're correct on that. It's all three of them, Umar. All right, so let's go hunting. 1 hour. We're on TradingView. TradingView has the same charts as MetaTrader 4. They're exactly the same. So I don't know why people worry about shit and get themselves all upset. What do I see? Do I see the blue line high or low on the 1 hour? US 30. I see it low. Do I see NAS's 1 hour high or low? I see it low. This is perfection right here. $23. $23. Hold on. Woo! There you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, who called a buy stop to the blue line? And I'm closing that one down. I'm good enough. Thank you very much. See ya. Boop. Take that money and run. $25. So who here was here witnessing the greatness of the system right now? Who was here? Come on. Who was here when I said buy stop, NAS, and then people, oh, of course it is. It's a buy stop. Of course it's a sniper buy stop. Yeah, of course it is, because the damn system's that's fucking great. You can't tell me that other traders and other people out who did the fucking trade, who did it, and who did it live with you, who did it, who called it out, and I'll explain how we did it right there. Oh, but it didn't touch the blue line. I don't give a fuck. It's close enough to the fucking blue line. It's called the H&H scanner for the reason. There you go. We found the rabbit, and the rabbit won. We won that rabbit. We shot that rabbit. Rebel, I was here. Mike said, I was here. The blue line almost touching SPA. Amen. Gordon Clark, me, Lachey, I was here. Yep, I was here and made money from your colleges. Now, Ray, there you go. I can testify, says Anthony Edward. I was, says Amy Lou. Yeah, because there it is. There it is. This is your buy stop. Now, I'm not going to get into it too much, but because I want to go back to my actual training. But how did I pick this one out of the air? Well, watch. Gee, I don't know. Number one, if you're here on the sniper, number one, you have to see the blue line high. Number two, you have to see a pullback against the blue line. Number three, you had to have the pink pullback on the 5 minute. This is your higher time frame. Number four, was there a buy stop? Matter of fact, there was a double buy stop. We had this is a W right here. Double when it went red, green, red right here. That's your W. Up she blew. Okay, is it going to keep going up forever? I don't know. It's a fucking 1 minute trade. Why would you think it would? Watch this right here. I love this now. We're using their own tools against them. Look, that's my badly drawn. So watch. Remember I said we're hunting rabbits? Well, we're going to hunting rabbits right now. Let's take a look. Okay, I do a bad Elmer Fudd. This is our hunting rabbits, right? Look, this is what we were looking for. Right here. Let's take a look. So we have to find it first on our. We have to find it first on our higher time frame. Price came up, price came down, buy stop. Price came up, price came down, buy stop. You can clearly see this is our logo. This is the green thing right here. Sevens, if you guys can see that the green up arrow right here is being drawn out by MetaTrader 4 in TradingView right here. This is our logo. It's not as pretty, but if you can see that, please say 7. If you can't, I'll draw it out for you myself. Took it, says Manuela. Yay, Manuela made some money. Woo, made money. Now, my gold one's still farting around. I'm not sold on the gold yet. We'll see. 777s. Is there any 9s here? Is there any 9s that cannot see our logo being drawn out with our cute little arrowhead there that I put on the tip of it? No 9s. Okay, so you can see it. Amy Lou, Jen Holmes, Manuela, Annie Apple, Lachey, Terry Gross, Mike Snyder. Nice. The more of you, there's 73 of you watching. So there's about 100, a little over 100, 120 people watching right now. I'm telling you, You can watch silently and never respond, and that's great. And that's awesome. I can give two shits less for my own personal benefit if you respond. Well, as long as there's a few of you responding, I don't care. If there's no one responding, I'm leaving and never coming back. But anyway, but yeah, so if you guys respond, you will learn things better and faster. That's all I can tell you. The more you respond, the more you engage in these live sessions that I do, the better you'll become at trading my system. You don't have to. Some people are very shy, but it's not going to hurt you to do it. Does that make sense? It's only going to help you if you respond. So I hope some of you start responding that we don't see a lot. Good morning, Paul. Morning, Jacob. Morning, Terry Gross. Morning, Lachey. Morning, Mike Snyder. What's up, Mike? Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Good morning, Joe Bigga again. All right. So I guess we're good on that. So we saw it. We went hunting. We went hunting for rabbits. The rabbit we found was this one. So whenever it comes to here and retraces, this is the first step you look. Well, first step is these right here, like I showed you. Then you go to the logos. Boom, boom. And then what do we see? Then we come over to here. And what do we see? Boom, buy stop above the yellow line, up to the blue line, you make your money. Was it a great move? No. Was it 300 pips and open for 6 months? No. Was it a fucking winning move towards the blue line? Yep. Did it hit the blue line? I don't know. Will it hit the blue line? It didn't. No. Will it? Yeah, I think so, but I don't care. I made my money, get out of the fucking trade. Open up 5 of those, make $100 in minutes. Open up 10, make a couple $100 in minutes. That's all. Nadex options, knockouts. All right, so this is how that trade worked out. Now let's go back to here. Let's go back to here and say, well, what about this trade, Kev? This is the first pullback. First are always the best. Let's take a look and see if that one also was a buy stop, which I can 100% fucking guarantee you it was. Let's take a look. In a book, reading Schmane Schmo. Yep, there it is. Broken box, same thing right here. Perfection personified, up she went. So yeah, it worked. Always does, always will. Whenever there's a retracement on the higher time frame, that's when you go look for your everything else. To know that it's the right retracement, make sure the blue line dipped down with it. Or in my case, all I care about is I just trade with 1 and 2s. These are verifications of everything else. That's all that is. Should do another buy stop to the blue line, but I'm not taking it right at once. Good morning, Jason Westberg. Good morning, right place to stay. Good morning, Kendall. And it pays too. Hell yeah. We ain't doing this all shit for fun now. All right. So that's how we found it. So we saw our logo down here. Cute little thing that it is. First time. Okay, I'm worse drawer than the fucking. Okay, the computer draws better than me. All right, come over here, logo here, boop, and here, boop, and then up she goes. And there it is. So that's it. We go logo hunting and find it. Now we're going to go logo hunting on a higher time frame because I like the higher time frames for you guys. Again, I don't understand how people are still losing. People, oh, I need a one-on-one and I don't understand my entries and I don't know what to do. What the fuck are you talking about? You do 15-minute 1 hours and you can't possibly lose. If you do 3 out of 3, you wait for 3 out of the 3 indices to have the exact same thing. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to talk to Sydney. Oh Lord, I don't know why it's not showing. 15-minute watch. 15-minute. So what are we looking at? 1 is the blue line up, high or down low on the 1 hour. It is down low. 2 is the blue line high on the other. It is. Okay, so let's make sure this is true. This is for SPX, I believe. Let's check NAS. Is it the same setup? This is still me trying to train you guys. It is. It is, and it is, and it is. Oh, okay, cool. Now let's check SPX. Let's check US 30. Not as good, but still there. And still there. Okay. So now we have the exact same setup on all 3, right? So now we have to hunt for our sell stop logos. Well, let me show you. Let me get back over here. Sorry. 3, was there a pullback on the pink? Not really. 4, is there a sell stop? There is here, but there isn't here. There is here, but there isn't here. So let's take a look. This is going to be a problem. Then we go to NAS right here. Is there a sell stop and everything there? Yep. Does NAS have a sell stop over here? Yes, NAS does. Does SPX have a sell stop over here? It does, and it's back to the blue line on the 15-minute. Actually, that's your ricochet. And is it here? Okay, so let's take a look. Now, we're going to hunt our logos. First logo hunting right here, as you can see. Let me make this red for us. If we're hunting for a sell stop, it has to be red. Starts up, came down, pulling back. Yeah, it needs to come closer. It's not close enough for this to be a sell stop yet. It's going to come up a little bit more for my likings, or I'm not taking the trade. What about NAS? Yeah, NAS is, wow. NAS has the logo and everything. Looks perfect. It's all red. I like NAS a lot. Let's go over here. NAS is in between. This is perfection where it's forming. I can see a perfect sell stop. Number 1, is it low? Number 2, is it high? Number 3 is pink against it. Number 4, is there a sell stop? Yes. Number 4, is it red over here? Yes. This is a perfect sell stop for NAS. You can put a sell stop either on the red line or below the red line. You can see how it's been jerking back and forth. I'd be very, very, very careful of that. Don't get suckered into that. While this doesn't look like much right here, these are huge movements on the 1 minutes to you guys. So be very, very, very careful. Or do an option. So I can come over to here. Let me see. Go over to here. I can do my knockouts. I can go to indices. I can go to NAS. And just wait. Now, I'm not going to take an option out right this second, but I'm going to keep an eye on one. I want to see how much higher this goes. Damn, that's so close. We're going to have to stay in the middle here. Okay. That's all. And then we're going to wait right here. And that's what we do. Now, what am I looking at? Exactly like I showed you. So we do have 15-minute 1 hours. I love the SPX is great. Not perfect. I love the NAS is very, very, very good. Not perfect, but extremely good. The US 30, I look at it and I say, hey, is there a sell stop here? There is. There was, and there is, and went down. Beautiful. Okay. Is there another one? It's a fill in the gap, not a full on one yet. Is the line 15-minute blue line up high? I don't know. Let's take a look. NAS is, SPX is, but US 30 looks like a shithole to me. US 30's line is flat, but we only need 2 out of the 3. This isn't 3 out of the 3, so this isn't a perfect safety trade, but it is 2 out of the 3 for the indices. So I'm good with that. But let's see the other problem we have with US 30. Gee, is US 30 forming a downward logo? Well, it can be flipping over right now, but is this is a sell stop. These are all red. Sea of red is what you look for. This is not. This is all buy stop. This is all buy stop right here. So this technically isn't a sell stop for US 30 on its own. It can't be, because you can't have a sell stop versus a buy stop right here. This is nothing more than a broken Bach buy stop. So you can't have this. So US 30 is a negative on finding the logo on the higher time frame right here. Well, it did go down. It's coming up. It's arching up. It's not. This negative logo right here that's starting, this thing came down, came up, is against a positive. Now I'm going to have to pause here. Everybody, good morning, DJ. Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Japan. Good morning, Jason Westberg. Good morning, Right Place to Stay again. All right, so am I clear? Let me go back over all this so you guys can see the exact thought, because some of you, I don't know. Some of you just are not getting it the way you should be. So let's go ahead and go back over here. I'm looking at my 15-minute 1 hours like I always do. That's all that matters to me, 15-minute 1 hours. If you're new, you should only trade 15-minute 1 hours when they all 3 line up. And if they're all 3 saying sell stop, you should take the sell stop. You can't lose when it does that 99% or however fucking much. You're going to win more times than you're going to lose, way more times than you're going to lose if you take the 3 out of the 3 trades. That's it. Some people, I don't know how to trade. I'm messing up my entries. Well, that's the fucking trade, the only trade you should take. What only happens once or twice a week. Well, that's how many fucking times you should trade. How about that? So let's look at SPX again. Here we go. we're hunting rabbits. We're hunting the sell stops. So what do we see? Here's SPX. 1, blue line low. 2, blue line high. 3, pink line came up with it. 4, is there a sell stop? There is. Here's a sell stop. Is there a sell stop over here? Not really, but kind of mostly. So it's okay. It's tolerable. It's ricocheting off. It's coming back to its blue line. We see a sell stop here. It hasn't pulled up high enough here for my liking. It's close. It's just not close enough. I think SPX needs to come up higher. Okay. So that's just my opinion on that. Now, back to NAS. NAS looks like this. NAS is here and NAS is here. What do I see on NAS? Oh, I see our hunting of rabbit, the red rabbit, that it went up, touched our yellow line. This is gorgeous. This is perfect. This came down. Is this a sell stop down here? Yep. So we have number 1, blue line low. Number 2, blue line high. Number 3, pink came up with the number 4. Is there a sell stop? Boy, is there. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Doesn't mean it's not going to keep going up, because it will, right? So let it keep going up. I'm sure SPX has hit its little thing. That's why I'm waiting to enter this trade. But can this come down? Yeah, abso-fucking-lutely this can. Let this pink line come back up again. We'll reload, and then it'll be time to come down. But barring that, this is perfect right here. It's perfectly setting up. It's going to come up over it. That's beautiful. Then we go to US 30. Do I have time for this? I do. US 30. Here's US 30. Here's US 30. Well, there's a problem. US 30, yep, down low. Nope, blue line isn't up high. Nope, pink line isn't up high. Nope, there's not even a sell stop. There kind of is. It's a fill in the gap one. But we come down to here, okay? And you see that there isn't a sell. This is a buy. Buy US 30, 4-hour. You can clearly see green, 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 red, red, broken box. This is a great buy, actually, on US 30. Not saying it's not going to go down. Not saying this isn't the logo right here. What I'm saying is this isn't a sell stop. So am I clear? Yes or no? Does everybody see that NAS is the best, SPX is good, but US 30 is not? And then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to override all of that. But does everyone see that? Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Jason L. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, Joseph Tamburino. Good morning, Joanne Soaz. I made the mistake so many times. Says, thank you. You're welcome, Joanne. Felipe, good morning. So I don't want to miss anybody in the mornings. Good morning, Jason Wellsberg. Good morning, Ja Penn. Good morning, Team Lane. Good morning, Tracy again. Good morning, DJ again. Good morning, Felipe again. Johan. Yes, yes, yes. Morning, Pip Hunter. BHB, yes. Good morning, Tarson Black. I think I missed you yesterday, Tarson. Good morning, Tarson. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Boost, Penny, yes. Good morning, Michael Moynihan. Manula. Good morning, Manula. Joe Bigga 777. Good morning, PK. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, PK again. Thank you for being on both, PK. Good morning, Cliff. We missed you the last few days. I don't think you were here. Good morning, Cliff Degner. If you were, I maybe missed you. I'm sorry. All right. So hopefully that all made sense to you. Good morning, Shash. Shash, God bless. God bless you, and God bless all of you. Ha! I said it before you wrote it, Shash. All right. But that's all. You just have to understand how this is looking. Now, what I'm going to show you is something a little even more advanced than what you just saw. Okay. This is what I'm looking at. We have a scanner, thank God. And our scanner says NAS is below its 15-minute. I finally got to this thing. Oh, welcome aboard, Japan. Congratulations. Good morning, John Stevens. Everyone, please welcome Japan. I love it because I believe that's Japan. I like how he spelled that, or maybe that is the way to do it. I don't know. Morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I said his. I hope you are he. But if you're a female, welcome aboard. I finally got the system. Yay. Can everyone welcome Japan, please? Take a second. Standing O for getting the system. Yay. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Welcome, 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 welcome aboard. Thank you, Lachey, for welcoming. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Raider Trader. Anthony Atwood, I think you're just being welcome yourself. Anthony hasn't his training yet, I believe. You might be in the same group. Welcome. Yep, Larry Cooper. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Cliff. Thank you, Rob. Yeah, I would say congratulations. Lord willing, Manula. Thank you, Manula. Good morning, Guy Berger again. And everybody's hyper. Yes, thank you. We're very glad to have you here. And everybody wants to learn everything. The truth of the matter is, I think it was PK. If it wasn't the other day, yesterday, day before, said it took him 9 months to get to the point where he's consistently profitable with the system. But you know what? If it takes you 9 months, Anthony in Japan, if it takes you 9 months to get there, so what? If it takes you 1 day to get there after your training, awesome. There's outliers both ways. Some people take over 6 months, some people take under a month. Those are outliers. Most people take 2 to 6 months to learn the system, to get consistently profitable, or as consistently profitable as you can get. More winning days than losing. How about that? Yep. But you'll get there. Rob. Yes, Rob Gruthius, you will. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan at both places. Thank you for being at both. Thank you, Joseph Tamburino, for Bob for welcoming him and for welcoming Anthony. Takes as long as it takes to get there, be consistent, just be patient, practice. Absolutely. Good morning, Thomas. I hope your mother's okay from yesterday, by the way. No hurry, thankfully. Good, Anthony. That's a great answer. Rob, you'll get there when you understand the trades I just explained. These 3-minute trades. These 3 minutes. These 3 15-minute trades, 15-minute 1 hours. Now, NAS is below. You can see SPX now is above its blue line. Yay, we were 100% correct on that call. You can look for US 30 now to go above its blue line. You'll see all these turn green. And then later today, you're going to see them all flip back to red again. And not only this time, by this time tomorrow, well, definitely by this time tomorrow, you'll see SPX red, NAS, and US 30 red on the 15 minutes. And if US 30 falls that much, woo, we're going to be in some money. All right. So let's take a look. I'm going to go back to SPX real quick. I hope you guys all caught that convoluted explanation, but it was pretty good. Yep, there you go. Did our buy stop to the blue line on SPX work out extremely well? Yes or no? It couldn't have worked out any better. Damn, I should have held that fucking trade. I could have made like $50, $60. I hope my brother's still watching and saw all this. She's still in the hospital. I'll know more. 14 hours. Yeah, I had an issue with a family member and we went, and it was about 6 hours, 6 or 7 hours. 14 hours is ridiculous, especially when you're dealing with breathing. I'm just playing the waiting game at the hospital doctor story of my life. Oh, wow. Yep. 3 years ago, I lost my mom, and she was in and out of the hospitals at the end too. It was terrible, but she fought forever. My mom had open heart surgery out of the blue. Well, not out of the blue. She was overweight and stuff, but she didn't know about it. She lived 8 years after that. Anyone else would have died. Mom came back from that stronger and happier. So your mom has a dozen more years, 2 dozen more, 30 more years. Who knows? But the reality is there was a lot of hospital visits at the end. That's just the way it was. Even for those 8 years, there was a lot of hospital visits. Jeez, Mom. Oh, Mom, God bless her soul. Yeah, she was a fighter. And she stuck around, always was happy for life. I couldn't have been blessed with a better mom in the history of the world. Sorry to offend any of you, and even Thomas a little bit. But my mom was absolutely the best mom anyone could ever been blessed with. Guys, you guys don't get me upset. Don't get me upset. All right. Prayers for your mom, Thomas. Absolutely, Tracy Ann Davis. Thank you. Jason, now we know when you get your persistence from Kev. Yeah, she was a fighter, boy. Mom was, anyone else had been taken out by, she had this other surgery. She had open heart surgery. She had these veins that were going bad on her. She just fought and fought and fought. No one else. Anyone else would have died. She was so, you guys don't want to know all the details. It wasn't pretty. She was very bad off after she was in the ICU for like a month, 6 weeks after open heart surgery. The doctors brought us in. They thought she was, going to pass, and nope. Mom came back from that and said, nope. Not today, Death. Not today. Does anyone know where that's from? Rob Guthius. Yeah, prayers for Thomas's mom. She'll I think she can get over this and have another 5, 10, 15, 20 years, Thomas. You never know. Maybe not, but you never know. Prayers for her. Hopefully she's doing some Wim Hof breathing. I know it's very hard for her with her lung condition, but I would absolutely get her an oxygenator machine. I don't care how and why. I would get her an oxygenator machine and I would have her do her Wim Hof breathing with oxygen, but I'm not a doctor. I know nothing. I know nothing about trading. I know nothing about doctoring. I know nothing. But I know if it was my mom, what I would do and did do, by the way, I did give her one. I bought her one. Yep. I must have wrote out a dozen different workouts over, a 5-year period of time for mom to do. You know how many times she did it? 0. You know how many times I kept writing it out for her, even though she didn't do it? A dozen times, maybe 2 dozen. I even went down. She was living in Florida then, right outside Tampa. I went down to Zephyr Hills, Florida, and I went down there with my with whoever, went down there and we did nothing. All I did was try to get her to work out, go in the pool, show her what to do there, show her how to do some weight training. And you know what she did after I left? Nothing. You know how many times I kept doing it with her? Dozens of times. Because why? It's my mom. Anyone else, I would have crushed into the ground. But mom, like, okay, mom, let's try this. Okay, mom, let's do this. So she ate pretty good. She liked to walk. But her and exercise, it just wasn't in her. It wasn't in her. So I was like, okay, that's fine, Ma. No big deal. So in other words, Thomas, never give up. Always keep helping her like you are. You're such a good son. Good morning, Maxwell Tapuante. Oh, nice, Joe Big. Aw, thanks for sharing that, Joe. I had no idea. Oh, I hope your dad's okay. My dad passed 1 year after my mom, a little over a year. January 1st, 2 years ago. Yeah, I'm sure we all love our moms. Yeah. Have a good finish. She'll make it for a while. And yeah, we have good washing machines at home and a portable washing machine. Awesome, Thomas. Yeah. Asking for help. The only thing you could do is get the ambulance here. I kind of went through a similar thing with Liv. I told you my youngest daughter how she would come out of her seizures asking me to help her. And then there's nothing I could do. And then she'd be pulled back into her seizure. Most people that doesn't happen to, but Livy also has a strong little will in her. She's like, nope. She tried to pull out of it. What a nightmare. Anyway, all better now. Thank God. Okay, my dad's 6 years ago, says Rob Guthius. January 4th. Oh, my baby's birthday is January 5th. He passed away July 5th, says Joe Big. Aw. Well, Joe, my sincere condolences to you and Rob. Asked my sister. Oh, Joe. Well, Joe, I hope you're kicking ass. You making more winning days than losing days, Joe? I hope you are. Boy, I hope you are. Well, I hope all of you are. Sincerely hope and pray that I can get you guys to be more consistently profitable trading. And with a trade like that, SPX, I think we're going to do it. All right, let me see here. Okay, let me see. I want to watch this because I really, 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 yeah. It's a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line now, US 30. So it's going to come up and hit its blue line next. Watch right here. Thank you, Metalman. Oh, it's a horror show, Thomas, when you're going through it. Well, anywho, keep everybody in our prayers. That's why we have a prayer room in our Discord now. We have a place if someone wants to put in some positive thoughts. Did I say good morning to Jason L? Good morning, Rock the Bach, Jason L. Okay. Now, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. US 30 is going to go up and hit the blue line? Yeah, probably. Is it going to absolutely do it? I don't know. Is it close enough that we can go out there and kiss the blue line? Yep. Does that mean it wins? Yep. Maybe I should rename the blue line scanner the H&H. We should call it the blue line scanner, kissy scanner. As long as it's close enough to kiss it, we're good. He can stick out his tongue right there and kiss that thing. Give it a little French kiss. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be so dry. Anyhow, it's going very well. More profit than loss paper trading. Nice, Joe Biga. Congratulations. I do want to hear that. All right, so we now have our 2 out of the 3. And now let's see what US 30 is doing here, right? Watch. See, there's your 30-minute. There's your 1 hour. Here's your 15-minute. Boom. 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. But we can't call US 30. Let's go over to NAS. 15-minute. Yep, I like that. I like that a lot. 30-minute. Yep. 1 hour. Yep. So it's actually technically now a 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. That is true. 30-minute, 1 hour. Does it make it any less true there's a 4-hour buy stop? Hell no. There's a 4-hour buy stop all day long. Take that money and run with it. Does that mean that the 15-minute, 1 hours won't happen? I don't know. 2 out of the 3 are perfect. If the 3 out of the 3 are perfect, I'd say absolutely they're going to happen. But now it's still a very, very good odds that this sell stop's going to happen. If there's any news in 17 minutes, don't play it. First of all, just quit trading from around 8:15 to 8:20 to about 8:40. Just don't trade. If there's any stupid ass fucking news, most of you aren't experienced enough to know how to trade it. Just stay out of it. Just don't do it. Okay? Do I believe the words I'm saying for authenticity? Because that was asked to me in an email. Like, how are you so authentic? Because I believe 100% in my core that this system works. I 100% believe that I can teach you how to do it. I 100% believe that I'll do my best to do that. But the reality is some of you still ain't going to get it. So while I'm doing my best to help, it doesn't always work out. And then people blame me or whatever. I can't control everything. I'm doing my best to help you all. Whether it does work out, I'm trying. I don't know. That's all I can tell you. Sell stop. US NAS 100, 15-minute, 1 hour. I can't call a buy stop. You can, but it's already done its thing. It's not a blue line down, so no. SPX. Look at SPX. Can't call a buy stop. The blue line was down here. It's not down here. This is how the sniper helps you. There is a blue line trade right here for your sniper. Boom, high, low, boom, up at lows, 1 minute, right? Here it didn't come down. This is just a normal. I'm not saying it's not going to go up. I'm telling you this pink line coming down isn't as good as this blue line coming down. That's what I'm telling you. When this was a buy stop to the blue line, that was give me money. It was perfection. It was a broken Bach. It's going there. It was just perfection, everything about it. If you'd like me to go over the trade again of why that was perfection, I can. But see, now look. Now you're trying to do a buy stop out here. Our logo isn't down here. Our logo is when it comes back down and touches, not out here. So when you see this is going up. Oh, it's going up, Kev. You were wrong. It's going up. I'm gladly wrong. I'm glad I missed out on that trade. I'm glad I'm not taking it. Look at it go up. Oh, but it's up because it didn't form our logo. Unless our logo forms right here. See, came up. Buy stop. Buy stop. This isn't a buy stop. This is going up. Great. We'd already be in the trade if I had a MetaTrader 4 trade open. I didn't. I had an 8X trade. I'm not taking it. Look at it. It's too far away. This is our logo. Oh, but our logo came over here, Kev, which it did. Came over, logo, right? And it came over here. That's the logo. It doesn't matter. This logo right here isn't the right one because it's not close enough. How do we know it's not close enough? Because the blue line didn't pull down against it. When you see the blue line pull down against it, it's the right safety trade. Right now, this blue line pulled down here. The correct time to enter in this trade was when I did it live with you guys, not here, right? We had to go back. Let me shrink this down. I hope this is getting through to you. Some of you are catching it. Some of you aren't. I understand that not everyone's the same. But right here, let's take a look. When this thing came down, when this blue came down right here, see the pink? Everything was perfect. 1, blue line was high. 2, blue line was low. 3, pink came down with it. 4, there is a buy stop here. And more importantly, these were buys. The Bach wasn't broken and the first one was there and our logo was here. So this is all perfect. Well, you can say, oh, this is a sell stop. No, it is not. This isn't a sell stop when that trade happened at all. It's a nothing, if you want to call it. Red, red, green, 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 green is nothing. So that's what it is. It's a nothing burger. Now let's go over to NAS and see how that looks. Look at it go up. I bet you US 30 is almost to its blue line now. Let me see. Yep, same thing, same problem. Logo here on NAS came over, touched, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, not a buy stop. I can't call it. It's too far away. It's too far away. Let's go over to US 30. Not quite there yet. It's going to get there. I think you're going to see that touch. Here's US 30. See, again, look at our problem right here. Let's take a look. This is why I'm not entered into US 30. When it's doing its buy stop here, forming our logo here, going up to the blue line, it's too far away. Now back here, right back here, let's go back a little bit. Let me show you right here. This one is 1,000 times better on a buy stop. It is still not right, technically. We have to go back to these, which is below. See, that's why US 30 was a mess. I didn't touch US 30 because it didn't meet my criteria of what the trade should be, so I didn't take it. SPX met the criteria of what I wanted to do. I took it. SPX was perfection personified. I took it. You guys see the difference between SPX and NAS and US 30? Do you guys see it? There's SPX and why it worked out perfectly. Here's US 30 and why I didn't take it. It wasn't a buy stop. It wasn't retraced. The blue line wasn't down. I just didn't. You could have. I mean, you could have done it on the 2 out of 3 scanner because we know where it's going. Henceforth, why I called the buy stop. Because look at that. NAS hit it. Then I called SPX. It hit it. And now I'm calling US 30 to hit it. Will it hit it? Again, I don't know. It's up far enough that we made fucking shit tons of money on it. Yep, that's true. If you would have took this trade down here to here, this is a ton. 40, 50 pips you'd have made. Safety is key in the safety trade. That's why it's called safety trade. I trade news with small positions and wide stop loss. If I lose not much, but it helps my confidence for trading high impact news. System also does wonders for that. Absolutely. I know you don't get civics here, but I struggle with entry on the 15-minute 1 hours. There's no struggling. If they're all 3 in there, just throw a fucking number up and it will stick. I'll show you what I mean. Man, I love systems. Thank you. All right. So is everybody sevens? They see how there's a difference between SPX and US 30s or 9s. You don't. If you don't, that's fine. 10 minutes if there's news. Who the fuck knows if there's any? I don't know. I think tomorrow's NFP, which is the only news. I only care about NFP, CPI, and FTMOC because those actually move the market where I can make some money. That's why I like it so much. Seven. I didn't say any 9s. I'm sorry. I wasn't even looking. I asked you guys a question. I'm not even looking. All right. So it looks like 7s. Okay, cool. Only unemployment claims today for news. Okay. Thank you, PK. But if it matters, just stay out of the market. How about this? I'll make it simple. Stay out of the market from 8:15 to 8:45 every day. Just stay out of the fucking market. That way you don't have to worry about anything. If it's going to move, let it move. Yeah, we don't play the news here. We just make money off it because they're idiots and they try to take our money and we get it all back. Tank Todd says yes, almost. 7 says Job Penn. Okay. Rob Ruthia says 7. Okay. So there you go. Now, let's go to Rob's question. He has trouble with 15-minute entries. So let's go over to 15-minute 1 hours. I've already did this pretty thoroughly, but right now, this 1 hour on US 30, right, and 15-minute, one's a sell stop and one's a buy stop. You can't trade this. So this negates Rob entering in any trades for today. Even though if Rob wanted to do this, he can say, well, hey, that's true, Kev, but NAS is a 15-minute 1 hour sell stop. That's true. Even though SPX is a 15-minute 1 hour sell stop. Yep, that's true. Well, it's soon to be a 30-minute, but either way, yes, that's true. But US 30 is not, Rob. So you can't take this trade unless all 3 are the same. So this is out of your ballpark. This is non-available. You can't take this trade. Sorry. Can't do it. Now, if I'm hoping for things, I really hope that we have a bad news and shit flies downward. That's what I'm hoping for. So as it gets closer to the news thing here, I'll start focusing on it. But anyway, so you can't take this trade. But let's go back to a time period where if you wanted to look at a 5-minute, 15-minute, we could, and I can show you. Maybe we can do this one. Is this a buy stop? Let me see. I don't think all three were this way. Nope, this is down. So we're gonna have to go back further. Damn, I'm gonna have to bring this up. Fine. Let's show Rob. Let's show Robbie boy a thing or two. Let's see if we can help Rob out. Here you go. Watch. Yep, here we go. Okay, now let's make sure we're same on all three. So that's US 30. Really? All right, let's go back further then. It doesn't matter. Pick one here. We'll do these. These have to be correct. Here we go here, and let's go NAS here. Yeah, there we go. Now let me make sure we're in the right spot. 6 minutes to any kind of news. Fuck the news. I don't give two shits for to ask about the news. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Matter of fact, this is the last time they had some kind of news and how great the system called it. Let me go to SPX. Okay, so now for shits and giggle, Rob, right here is what you're going to be looking at. Let me make sure US 30. All right, here's US 30, and I can't do it fast. It just stay out of the fucking market. I'm not even going to call it. Just stay out of the fucking market. One, is the 1 hour blue line go from bottom to top? Yes, it did. And my cousin's saying in reference to what? In reference to the fucking pink line being down low, the blue line's high. That's what's fucking in reference to. Pissed me off yesterday. Anyway, 2, did the blue line drop with it? Oh, I'd say it did. 3, did the pink come down with it? Yes, it did. 4, were there buy stops? There was nothing but buy stops. So if Rob can see this, you place it on the red line, period. You put it there. I don't give a fuck wherever. It's a whole entire day of it just being placed there. Leave it there. Oh, but it dipped down and would have tapped me out. Well, then don't put your top stop loss there and quit playing fucking US 30. Look at NAS. Same exact trade. Look at SPX. Same exact trade. So let's go over to SPX. Let's zoom in a little bit so that he can not have a heart attack on me. Watch. So you put your buy line right here on the yellow, on the red, right here. Put it there. There it is. It goes up. Oh, but my stop loss would have been right here. Okay. If you can't afford a 6 pip stop loss on SPX, then you need to switch over to demo and only trade demo, which is what you should have been doing the first time, Rob, but don't get me started. Only trade demo. Okay. If you can't afford a 10 pip, 20 pip stop loss on any, you don't have enough money in your account. So don't play it. So if you put a 20 pip stop loss on SPX this day, it would have never came close to touching you and tapping you out. Never. But you said to put it at the pivot point. If you're doing SPX and you're trying to run with a 2 pip stop loss, good luck in life. That fucking shit ain't going to work. So if you can't play, because watch, if you go over to US 30, same exact, well, you would have never been tapped out. Okay. If you'd have went over to NAS, did the same exact trade, right here, it would have been a 40 or 50 pip loss. So you shouldn't play NAS until you know what the heck you're doing. You should never play US 30 until you know what the fuck you're doing. The only one you should play when all three match up is SPX. So that's how you do it. I can't be any more specific than that. I know as well, that's exactly how specific you can be. You can't mess up on a 15-minute 1 hour when they're all three together. If you mess that trade up, then you have to go to demo until you understand how to trade. You can't mess it up. I mean, it's virtually impossible to lose that trade. If you lose an indice, 3 out of the 3, 15-minute 1 hour buys or sells, good luck in life. I don't understand how you can mess it up. I mean, you'd have to be, I hate to say it, but you'd have to be very, very, very not smart, not able to follow directions. That's all I can tell you. It's impossible to mess it up. Virtually impossible to mess it up. How are we doing with our US 30 in 1 minute? So anyhow, we can get into that more later. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. You should be in buy, stay in your buys, lock in profit if you're worried about this news. If you're not, then be prepared for a sell stop. You can have a sell stop ready to go. I wouldn't do a sell on US 30, even though it's showing it. I would definitely do a sell on NAS, and I would 100% do a sell on SPX. If it comes down, I would take the trade. SPX is technically, I would enter it off the 30-minute line, off the red right here, and take the trade. For NAS, I would enter off the red line, 30-minute also on the sell. And US 30, you'd have to go to the 15-minute and offer the red line off of this. So if you're in your 1-minute buy stops, stay in them. I would not take a 1-minute buy fucking 2 minutes before any kind of news. So don't do it. Okay? You should be in your buys, stay in your buys, lock in your buys. If you're in a sell, stay in the sell. If you're in a sell, open up a sell because you can wait for it if you want. If not, chill out, relax, let the news come out, see what happens, and we'll move on. Hold my beer, says Cliff. SPX. Perfect, Rob. Perfect, Rob. Good morning, Ron. Good morning, Ron. So the SPX and NASDAQ 30 have to match in terms of the pattern on the same time frame. If you're doing what I'm teaching for beginners, yes, they do. Can you take the 15-minute sell stop from the 1-hour yellow line? On which one? Pip Hunter, which one? Hurry, you got to ask me quickly. We only have 45 seconds. Okay. 15-minute yellow line. I don't know which one. Yes, Anthony. You'll learn that in your training, Anthony. Anthony, I know you're all excited and happy, but I would. Okay, so officially, there's a 1-minute buy stop. Unofficial, or well, officially also, I should say, there's a 15-minute 1-hour sell stop, all three indices. Have they gone up enough to make it switch back around? I don't think so. I don't. Do I have my options going? Yes, I do. Speaking of which, we got to go check gold. Do I have time to check gold? I do not. Here it comes. Let's see what happens. Okay. Buy stop 1-minute US 30. Buy stop 1-minute NAS. If you want to play the sell, make sure you're looking at either NAS or SPX on the 15-minute. It's not going to go down low enough right yet, so don't do it. Don't get caught on this. Do not get caught on this. Okay, nothing. I hate when it's dud news. US 30. 1-minute buy US 30. 1-minute buy NAS. And I've already would have been in this trade and out of the trade. I would have followed that down and took that money up. You're in the money on your NAS buy stop, get out of the trade. You're in the money on the NAS buy stop, get out of the trade. Wait for this NAS and SPX sell. You have to wait for it. Let me go back over to 15-minute. 15-minute US 30. Let me zoom in a little bit. Put it right there at the yellow line for a sell. That's where I'd come right back behind that and put it right there. Nope, not touching that one. You're not ready yet for a sell on NAS. Boop, 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 boop. Buy stop off the 5-minute. Buy stop NAS off the 5-minute yellow line. Buy stop, put it right above that yellow line right there. Might even take that myself. Buy stop off the yellow line, you'd be in the money on US 30. Buy stop SPX, you're in the money if you took it off the yellow line right there. Again, just a little different entry point. When it's going to come down and bounce, it's going to do that. Oh, I should have took that one. Fuck. Yep, you're in the money on the 5-minute US 30 buy stop off the yellow line. You're absolutely 100% in the money. 100% in the money off the yellow line. You can see it clearly going up. NAS. Yep, you're in the money on NAS now. Yep, yay. SPX. You're definitely in the money on SPX. Do you see the difference? See, this is our logo again. Start over, come over, boop, come over, boop, came over, boop, pop up a little. Is it a lot? I don't know. It's a good bit. Did it do it already there? How about NAS? Did it do it on NAS? Oh, look, there it is. Did it do it on US 30? I don't know. Let's take a look. Oh, what do you know? There it is. Oh, but what about the 1 minute buys? Well, we're not entering on the 1 minutes. I don't care. You guys enter wherever you want to. I'm trying to show you how a better entry is. That's all. Look at your 5 minute. In the money, out of your ass in the money. Look at it go up. This is a lot of money on US 30 right here from here to here. That's 20 to 30 pips on US 30. It's a lot of money on NAS, depending on entry, either the yellow or the red. Another 5, 10 pips on NAS. SPX, it won't be as many. And there it is. And there she goes. Oh, it's going to go down. It's going to flip and go down. I don't care. These aren't long-term trades. Get the fuck out and leave. Do not stay in these trades. Get out of the trades quickly and leave. Well, the 5 minute, yeah, it came down, touched it, and went up. That's our logo. What about NAS? Came down, went up. What about US 30? Came down, went up. There you go. I don't know what else to tell you. 1 minute buy, stop again. You're still in the money. Off the 5 minute blue line, back to the 1 minute blue line. If you don't want to do these trades, be patient. 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop, US 30. 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop, NAS. 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop, SPX. And SPX is back to the blue line, even though it already hit it once, twice, 3 times. And there you go. So you just have to be patient. Either you're going to take these little 1 minuters, 5 minuters, take them and run, or be patient and wait for the SPX 15 minute, 1 hour sell to happen. What's going on with gold? Hold on. Are you fucking kidding me? Did I miss my thing on gold? Damn. It went down and touched the blue line and I was talking to you guys. Fuck, fuck, fuck. And this is why I do not trade fudgicles, fudgicles, fudgicles. I'm going to have to take a loss on this. Fuck. Screw it. I'm just going to leave the damn thing open. I can care less if I make money or not. I'm good. Wow. Fuck. Damn gone shit. Let me check out ERUSD. Maybe I can pull something out of my ass on this one. Whatever. All right. ERUSD. Let me see. 5 minute, 5 minute. Oh, we could have packed that one. 2 minute. And you'd have made money on the sell too. 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Already hit it. Okay. Now I'm not going to touch ERUSD. We're good. US 30 again. US 30, nothing. You're in the money on your NAS and US 30, by the way. Buy stops off the line. And again, nothing. Buy stop 1 minute. All 3 indices should have entered in off this 5 minute. Again, I was just teaching you guys how it has to pull back to the line. Let it come down again to the line. That's what I would do if we can get it. Oh, can't believe that shit. Let me see SPX. Hold on. Yeah, I don't think so. Not right now, anyway. Great call on the 5 minute NAS buy. Thank you, Sam. Good morning, Julius. Was NAS. Okay, sorry about that, Pip Hunter. Good morning, Harris Tran. What's up, Harris? Good morning, Ben Gulick. Only way to mess up is to enter early and not when the rule states. That's when it reverses, but you never waited for your confirmation entry. Correct, Ben. Absolutely 100% correct. I should pin that message. JL Green. Good morning, JL. Good morning, Steve. What's up, Steve? What's up, JL? Damn. Fucking shit. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell stops. Enter off the for SPX. Enter off the either the red or the yellow sell stop. I don't care. 30 minute line. It's getting up high enough. Let me see who's higher. Is NAS higher on this hour? It is. See, the NAS is just a better entry. NAS. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Oh, look at the NAS go. Fuck yeah. Watch. Watch SPX go. There's SPX. There you go. There's XPX go. See, there it is. 1 minute buy stop pop. Let me see US 30. Yep, there's your bam. All three buy stops. Buy stop, buy stop. Now the correct entry, you could have did the 1 minutes. Yes, I see that. But the correct entry would have been off the 5 minute yellow line right there. The 1 minute to the blue line is going to happen again. There it is. There it is, your buy stop to the blue line. Fuck the news. News can suck it. There it is. There's your NAS buy. There's your SPX buy. Now that we're so far along on these buys, you might want to start looking for those sells. Definitely, I would think between 9:30, between now and 10:30, 10:15, you should see the reversal. You'll see everything start to go down. Wow, look at that shit. All right, that was gorgeous. Good morning, little Joe. Good morning, Steve again. NAS is approaching his 5. It is Jason Rock the Block. NAS boom. All of them boom. NAS boom. Gold boom. I didn't call the gold. I called NAS. I called SPX, and I called US 30. What's up, Kai? Yeah, those were pretty straightforward. Now, after these are already moved up, which they have, and they're going to their blow, which they are, you're about to see this change. You'll see these change color, which you, sorry, wrong one, which you will. These little suckers will flip over. You'll see this turn to green here shortly. They'll all three be green. Then you're going to see NAS turn to green on the 5 minute, right? And so on. So you're going to see these green, green, green. Hopefully all three will turn green. So you'll see green here, almost for assuredly. I don't think, well, can we get to NAS? Hold on. Let me see NAS 15 minute before I mistakenly say something. Yeah, we're going to see this 15-minute hit too, probably most likely. You'll see all three of those turn green. Let me see if US 30's hit its blue line yet. Oh, man, not only US 30 almost hit its blue line, US 30 is going to smash through its 5 minute blue line too. That's funny as fuck. You might get both at once. That's unusual. It's not usually the case. Let's watch this and see. Blue line touch, US 30. All the predictions I made last night, 12 hours ago, are now coming true. I called this out to the blue line, all three, or at least towards it. Obviously, both have done this. Green, green, green. This will now turn to green shortly. If for the next 30 seconds it stays up high enough, it might not. But you can clearly see US 30 hit its blue line. Pop. There you go. All three are now perfection. Now you're going to see, look at SPX. Boom. You're about to see this change, and probably these two change. Look, look, look. Look, look, look. Look, 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 look. Nice. Beautiful. Wait for it. Here it comes. Watch this change live, folks. The power of the scanner in the palm of your hand. Look at it. Watch it go. It's going to turn to green because it's above the blue now. As called out last night. Green, 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 green. Pop goes the weasel. The weasel goes pop. Okay, why are we not popping? Maybe I need to refresh. Hold on. The weasel goes pop. The weasel goes pop. Da 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 da. The weasel goes pop. Come on now. Look at it go up. Holy fucking shit. Let me make sure here. Is NAS doing the same thing? I'm assuming NAS is doing the same thing. Yep, NAS in the money. Holy fuck. SPX. Yep, in the fucking money. Okay, what's going on with the scanner here? Oh, there we go. I had to refresh it. My fault. I pulled it from, that's what happens when you have multiple charts and floating charts. I needed to refresh that. But anyway, you see they're all green now. Pop, 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 pop. Let me go back to US 30 again and see. We're about to see US 30. I believe their 5 minute has been hit. Yep, we're up past the 5 minute now. Let's see with NAS. Nope, about to hit the 5 minute on NAS. And here is SPX. Yep, you still have time on SPX too. It's going to go up there and touch its 5 minute. So next up, you're going to see US 30 turn to, in 2 minutes, you're going to see US 30 turn to green. In 2 minutes, you're going to see NAS turn to green. You might even see SPX turn to green. So then all my predictions will be correct. Let me see NAS right here. Hold on. As called out last night, these all changing over to green. Yep, even there. If we can hold up high for 2 minutes, that's a huge if. But if we can, you're about so we already have it already is green. First of all, NAS is already green on the 15. So that prediction has come true. US 30 is on the 5 minute is already 50, so it's already there. So here's your 5 minutes. So that one's already true. This is already green. Then we go over to NAS 5 minute. Not quite there yet, but kissable. So you can stick out that tongue and kiss that little French kiss, right? And here's the thing. So I'm going to go ahead, even though these aren't all changed the green yet, everything I said last night about changing the green is true. They're all either to it right here, past it right here, or coming up to it right here. So all these in my book have all paid off and all money is correct. Those are your buy stops in the money, in the money, in the money, in the money. Right? And there you go. So now we have green, 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 green. Give it another minute and 10 seconds. How much time we got? Oh, we got a lot of time. Then I'll explain how I was able to call these. Now, once these all turn green, right? Then you can look for our sell stops. You can still even look for the stops. This will flip around either between now and 10:30 or between 1:30 and 2:30. They always flip it on the 4 hours. I'll have to go look to the 4-hour candles to tell you which one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go to US 30 then, see if it's staying above. Yep. Oh, this is definitely changing on US 30. Let me see if NAS is changing its 15-minute. Ooh, it's going to be close for NAS 15-minute, but it's already hit it. It's already up there. Hope you guys see this. I hope you guys are witness to it. Look at it. Watch it change. So this was called out, this change, called out live, traded live. This was called out last night. 2, 1. Okay, we're above it. Let's see. We're above it. It's going to take about 10 seconds for it to flip, but I'll refresh it. Damn these floating charts. I swear to God. Come on. Well, we know it's above it. Oh, come on. I might have to keep this in my this chart in my locked. Look at it. Oh, why the fuck? Hold on. This is pissing me off to no end. There you go. Now you have NAS and SPX, 2 of these. Now watch again over here. This will be the next one, I believe. I don't think SPX is going to be next. Hold on. SPX, let's see, 5-minute. Yeah, it might be, yeah. Let's see. I think you're going to see NAS 15-minute do it first, though. Yeah, NAS 15-minute is over already, so this 15-minute is actually green as you speak. And then you'll see this one fill in last. Then all these will turn to green, as I said last night. So that was 100% accurate call that I made last night. Yay. There you go. All of them green. Then after this, you'll look for the sell stops to engage. Might still be at open. You're breaking these all early. This is great. Isn't this fun watching the little scanner actually move? Because I was pissed that it wasn't moving a second ago, but here we go. All green, just turned. This one would be turning right now. Actually, we have 13 minutes to wait, but this one will turn in 13 minutes. In the meantime, I'm sure SPX is going to go up over its 5-minute. Look at this. And by the way, fill in the gap, buy, stop, blah, blah, blah. There's our logo. There's our logo. Right? There she goes. Look. So even if you just did the 2 out of the 3, you waited here, 5, 10, 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, this is what it did. Look at it. And that is close enough. Horseshoes and hand grenades, that is super close to touching I hope you guys are appreciating what you're seeing right here. So I have this EA, this scanner is trading. Well, I'll be as nice as I can. It's trading extremely good. And this is how you use it. And this is how you see it. And this is how you see it live. So if this doesn't turn to green, is that a failure? No. Because if you could have took this buy stop, this buy stop, this buy stop, or this buy stop up to the line. How does it look like? Well, here, this is what it looks like. Buy stop, right? Buy stop, broken back to the blue line. Buy stop, 1 minute, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. And if you don't want to do those, eventually you'll learn what a fucking fill in the gap is. Fill in the gap, buy stop, fill in the gap, buy stop to the blue line. Did it touch it? I don't think so. Is it close enough? That's why we call it H&H, horseshoes and hand grenades. I don't think it did. I mean, it may have, that wick may have touched. I don't think so. You know what? Let me go over to TradingView and see. See, right here, it would look like it touched. But I don't know if it did. That's a little iffy to me. It's close. But is it close enough? Yes. That's all that matters. Is it fucking close enough? Yeah, it's close enough. We're golden. Let's go over to here and see, because you can usually see things a little clearer on TradingView. Let me whip over to here. SPX. Let's go back over to here. Let's go over to here. Oh, I got to go. I can't stay for the open. Oh, no. It didn't touch. See, there you go. Much clearer. I got to go. Oh, fuck. All right, guys. Anybody have any questions before I go? I would look, either stay in these buy stops or not. If you're going to lock in profit at open, do it. At open, you should look for a eventual sell stop on the 15-minute, 1 hours, NASs and SPX and US 32. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, well, definitely by this time tomorrow, these will all flip back to red. You'll see red, 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 red. You'll see SPX red, and I believe you're going to see the US 30 15-minute red. By red, I mean this right here. I do believe you'll see US 30 go down towards its blue line right here on the 15-minute. That's just my opinion. Could be wrong. All right, TikTok, any questions? YouTube, any questions? I got how's Signal Surf coming along? Very slowly, PK. Very, very, very slowly. Funny thing as it is, it's hard to get the EAs to trade like me. It's that hard. Now, Sid, one of our guys, the main guy on the Signal thing, the only guy on the Signal thing, is doing the very best he can. He's doing exceptional with it. He's a super smart guy. I think he's going to figure it out. But it is still extremely hard to get this thing to trade like me. So it is what it is. Thank you, bro. Hey, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for being here. Good morning, little Joe and Steve. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? I quit using them for that reason, says Thomas. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, OG. They kept lagging, disconnecting for me, says Thomas. I don't know, Thomas, what I was talking about. Sorry. Good morning. How's the Signal Surf's coming? Slowly. Thank you, Mike. I hope Mike made some money this morning. Think we can rock the box. Rock the box, Jason. Thank you for your time and God bless. God bless you, Pip Hunter, and everybody watching. Thank you all for watching. It's in a book. Looking, reading Rainbow. Thank you, Kevin. God bless you. Welcome. Scanner calls sell stop on US 30 15-minute. Yeah, it is. It is a sell stop on US 30 15-minute. It's calling the exact trade that I'm calling. Yes, that's why that scanner that I rarely go over anymore is ungodly accurate. This thing is what he's talking about right here. I'll leave you guys with this thought. $50 a month gets you this after you buy the system. If you like trading things like lots of symbols, different symbols, I mean, you don't understand the power of this thing. It's psychotic. It is psychotically good. So when it's calling a 15-minute sell stop or whatever, US 30 to 1 minute, it's 100% accurate. Yes, it doesn't miss. There's your buy stop to the blue line. There's your buy. This scanner calls the trades better than, I'm sorry, you guys don't get mad at me, better than 90% of you, 95, because it's trading like me. This scanner is me. So if you like to trade symbols, use the scanner and trust it, and you'll make money. I'm sure you will. Blessings to you, Kai. Metal Mind, blessing to you, Metal Mind. God bless you too, Thomas. Yeah, I have some new output for you, actually. What's up, Sydney? Just bragging on you, buddy. Thomas Arnon, thank you for our prayers. Lachey, thank you. 3 for 3. Oh, you made money, Mike. Congratulations. I'm going to call my brother next. Good morning, everyone. God bless. Good morning, Sydney. All right. Everybody on TikTok, see you later. God bless. Good luck at the Open. All right. Everybody on YouTube, God bless. We're heading out of here. Thank you all. That's good for yourself. I agree with Pip Hunter. I didn't even one time come on here and tell anyone to buy the system. I didn't even show it. I'm a terrible salesperson. All right. God bless, guys. Might see you later, might not. All right. Talk to y'all later today.